Friends, today we would be learning the properties of resorcinol. Resorcinol is a colorless crystalline solid which is soluble in water and alcohol, and its melting point is around 110 degrees Celsius. I will be demonstrating the physical properties. First of all, about the appearance, you can see that it is crystalline in nature. The next test is the solubility. Here I have taken approximately 20 milliliters of water in the beaker and I am dissolving the resorcinol in it. You can see that on mixing it well, the resorcinol has dissolved in water and the solution has turned clear. Now we will be heating a little amount of resorcinol in a test tube, and you can see that on heating the test tube, the resorcinol has liquefied. Now we will be learning all these chemical properties of resorcinol one by one. You can pause the video to see all of them. Before reacting the Tollens reagent with resorcinol, we are preparing the Tollens reagent. First of all, we have taken silver nitrate in that small glassware, and then I added excess of ammonium hydroxide into it. Now into the Tollens reagent I add resorcinol. You can see that on adding resorcinol there is a color change, and on mixing well the solution starts to turn dark. Resorcinol reduces the Tollens reagent to give metallic silver, which get oxidized to give this black to brown color. Resorcinol does not give a precipitate with lead acetate, unlike the pyrocatechol, which is an isomer of resorcinol, gives the precipitate of lead catecholate. On adding resorcinol to ferric chloride solution, we get a purple colored complex. This reaction is similar to ferric chloride reacting with phenol. Since resorcinol also has a phenolic group, it gives this test. On fusing resorcinol with potassium hydroxide, we get fluoroglycine, pyrocatechol, and diresorcine. We have taken some resorcinol in the test tube and we are adding zinc chloride into it. Now we will be adding glacial acetic acid. After adding this, we will be heating the contents of the test tube to about 145 degrees Celsius when we get a compound called ris-acetophenone. This is the classical demonstration of phthalic acid in organic chemistry labs. We have taken some phthalic acid in a test tube and into which we will be adding some resorcinol, and then we add concentrated sulfuric acid. The concentrated sulfuric acid will cause dehydration of phthalic acid, forming phthalic anhydride. And on heating phthalic anhydride with resorcinol, we get the compound fluorescein. The importance of fluorescein is the presence of the property of fluorescence in UV light. passing the black light through the fluorescein solution, you observe the fluorescence. We are adding resorcinol into saturated solution of sodium nitrite, and this produces an indicator called as lacmoid. Lacmoid will give dark coloration on adding a basic solution. You can see that here. This is an important polymerization reaction of formaldehyde with resorcinol. Here we have taken some resorcinol in a glassware and we are adding 1 ml of formalin, that is liquid formaldehyde. Now we will be adding a few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. Now we will mix the contents well. You can see that immediately the solution solidifies and forms a purple colored polymer. This is the resorcinol formaldehyde resin. Resorcinol forms orange-red colored dye with benzene diazonium chloride. If you want to know how to synthesize benzene diazonium chloride, watch one of my previous videos. The dye formed here is para-hydroxyazobenzene. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you loved the contents of this video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button so that you will be notified about my new videos.